Hi guys! So, tara, let's open booster packs. So, this will be my 16th booster packs. So, already nag-open na ako. Unfortunately, di ko na-videohan yung kanina. So, I already opened one. So, this will be my 16th. So, itong 4 na to, I already opened 12 Phantasmal Flame booster packs. So, this will be my 16th. And I think this will be the last one kasi for the past few packs, wala tayong nakukuwang maganda. So I think it will be the last Phantasmal Flames, and we're going to look for other booster packs that we can open. So I opened the 1 packs na. So the only thing that we got for this one are this, and then we have 3 holos. So we have the reverse holo Murkrow, Dazzling Body, and then Vileplume. So far again wala tayong nakukuha pa. And then, sige, let's open another one. So this will be my 14th booster packs of Phantasmal Flame. So, madami-dami na tayong na-open. And unfortunately, wala pa tayong nakukuha maganda. So, hoping that we get one naman. So, yeah. So, we have the code. Yan. So, we have Energy, Bronzor, Mimikyu, Trapinch again, Sandile, Archaludon. Dami na nating Archaludon, paulit-ulit na yung Archaludon natin. Tapos Dazzling Bally, bago to si Lotad. Pero sana makakuha naman tayo ng magandang card. Tingnan natin. We have a hit. Finally, after 14 packs, nakukuha din tayo nito. So, Wigglypuff illustration rare. Wow. Finally, nakakuha din tayo. And then, can we get a double? May double? Toxtricity. So, at least, di ko dala yung sleeves ko. So, sige, tabi muna natin. And pack number 15. Open tayo ng packs. Tingnan natin kung anong makuha.
Ilang packs yung binaksan mo kaya, Rigid?
It's, ano na to? Pang 16 ko na to.
16?
Yes, ito my first time getting a hit.
Ito magkano kaya yun?
Let's see. So, tingnan na. Let's see kung masasertehin tayo. So, ito yung code. Tingnan natin. So, we have the energy. Charcadet. Yamper. Snubbull. May Murkrow. Sana may maganda tayong makuha. Wala. Holo lang. Isa pa. Meron pa. Uy! Wala. Wala. Sige. Wala. So, wala. Can we get another one? Another reverse? Flygon. Pang ano ko na to Pang-apat ko ng Flygon. Pang-apat ko ng Flygon. So, ito yung 16th pack. Tignan natin. Sana makakuha naman tayo ng maganda. Ay, magpa-open.
Full art pala ako.
Yun na nga yun lang. So, tingnan natin yung last pack. Tingnan, baka may magic dito. The energy. Trapinch na naman. Ang chase kasi ni Uge dito, yung Flygon. Okay, we have Piplup, Sableye, si Don. Okay. Crocodile, Malueta, Reshiram. Ano natin baka makakuha naman sana tayo. Kung meron akong nakikita Ay, wala na. Sige, ganun talaga. Wala. Just a rare card. Zacian. So far, ito yung na nakuha. So, well, at least nakakuha kaya sa wala.
Ito.
Yan. So, medyo madami-dami. 16 packs na yung na-open ko. Pero may bumili ng mga ano ko, mga commons ko.
Marami.
Madami bumili. So, yun lang.